Michaela with LearnWire here, and today we are going to go over EezyCollab. Now, EezyCollab is a platform that lets you find influencers that will best fit your niche to help you initiate outreach and to track profile metrics all in one platform. Now, EezyCollab is going to be best used by marketers, marketing agencies, and small businesses. Looking at the reviews, it does have a 5 taco rating across 6 reviews, so it's doing really well so far. EezyCollab was founded by Yi Chen, and looking at the reviews and questions, it looks like she's pretty responsive to all of the questions, and the reviews looks like she also responds to a good portion of the reviews as well. Now, there are 5 different licensing tiers that you can choose from. License tier 1 at $49 includes all available features. You get 500 results per month and 200 bulk emails from EezyCollab per month. Tier 2 license at $119 includes all available features. You get 1,500 results per month, and you can send up to 500 bulk emails from EezyCollab per month. License Tier 3 at $219 includes all available features, 3,000 results per month. You can send up to 1,000 bulk emails. You can also remove the EezyCollab logo in bulk emails, and you can also export data, and you can also gain access to influencer metrics. The Tier 4 license at $399 includes all available features. You get up to 5,000 results per month. You can send up to 2,500 bulk emails per month. You can remove the EezyCollab logo in your bulk emails, and you can also export data, and you gain access to influencer metrics. And finally, the Tier 5 license at $499 a month includes all available features. You get up to 10,000 results per month. You get 5,000 bulk emails. You can send up to 5,000 bulk emails. You can remove the EezyCollab logo in your bulk emails, and you can also export the data and access influencer metrics. All right, so let's go take a look. This is the EezyCollab dashboard. Right away, we have an easy search bar, so we can start searching for influencers right away. We have our search, we can view our search history, we can look at our saved lists, and we can also send our bulk emails. Down below, we can also see how many results we have remaining. Now, in this little search function right here, we can choose the creator language. We've got a whole list of different languages to choose from. And we can also choose which platform that we want to search. So we have YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. So in this search bar right here, we can either enter in our website link, or we can describe the product that we're trying to sell, and the EezyCollab AI will match us with the most relevant influencers. We'll pretend that we are trying to sell the softest t-shirts ever made. Now that we've analyzed that prompt, we can see kind of a list of keywords that are relating to what we've just searched. So here we have softest t-shirts, luxury t-shirts, comfortable clothing, high quality tees, etc., etc. Next, we can go ahead and customize the tags that we want to search. So we have to select at least 20 results, and we also have to enter in a result between 10 and 1,000 for each tag. We can search our results by hashtag. So we can go ahead and not only select our target countries, but we can also use hashtags used by our competitors. So I don't want to use all of my results now, so let's just go ahead and do these first 2 hashtags, and let's go ahead and search with AI. All right, now this is our search results, and these are the different influencers that will best match what we're trying to sell. So as we scroll down, we can see a description of each influencer's channel. We can see their subscriber count, we can see where they're located, we can see their overall score, and also what relevant topics that they have to what we've just searched. We can also see whether or not their email is available for us to email to them. So Asim right here, his email is not currently available, but Tim down here, we can see that the little email icon is orange. So his email is easily accessible for us, so we can send him an email if we so choose. Now, if we want to save these influencers to a specific list, maybe we really like them and we want to save them for repeated reach outs and repeated campaigns, we can go ahead and click on this little box right here and check each one and we can save the selected to the list, or alternatively, we can also save all of the results to a list. We can also export these results right here. So I'll go ahead and save the selected to the list. And we can either select a list that's already been created, or we can go ahead and just straight up create a new list. We can narrow our results down a little bit, so we can filter out by country. So we have Australia, Canada, India, Netherlands, the UK, and the United States. We can also sort by score. We can also choose to hide any potential business accounts. And we can also make our results show only those who have an email address. And we can hit search. And now we just have a list of all influencers with an email. One thing I've noticed is with my previous search results, I had checked the first 3 just to add them to a list. And by checking this has email and searching once again, it still kept those top 3 checked. So a small bug, not a deal breaker, not, it doesn't impede the process at all, just something to keep in mind. All right, now that we have our list, let's go ahead and send out a bulk email. So this is going to be our bulk email editor. We can see up here at the top, we have the email subject, and then we also have the body of our email right here. It already has just a basic template saying, hey, influencer, I've been watching your profile. This is what I do. Do you want to be interested in a collaboration? Let me know if you're interested. Thanks. And it will send it out for you. You can also adjust this template right here. So one thing I like is that when you send out the email, it's not going to come necessarily direct from your email. It will come from just a basic hello@mail-easycollab.com. And it will also allow you to CC your emails. So you can also kind of see what it's going to be, but you can also still get those responses, assuming that they do hit reply all. You can also select a list that you want this sent to. So if we want to send it to our fashion list, we can do so right here. Then we can either send a test email to ourselves, or we can go ahead and just send it out if we are confident that this is what it is going to look like and we're confident that we're happy with it. Okay, so this is what the email is going to look like. One thing I've noticed is that it has kept in this important part right here. I thought that because it was in its own separate thing, it would have kind of gotten rid of it. In fact, I don't even know. Okay, so I can get rid of it. Not a big deal. But one thing to keep in mind, if you do utilize this program, is that you will need to get rid of that little banner. Otherwise, you will send that out as well. One thing I am noticing is that I'm not seeing anywhere where I can see the analytics of these influencers. I can see it. I assume these are their latest posts, but this doesn't look accurate to me. If someone's going to have, 257.7 thousand views and no likes, that just doesn't seem accurate to me. I thought I would be able to see how many views, how many likes, what their demographics are, but I'm not seeing anywhere where I can see those statistics. I can just see this little preview right here. So it's not really providing everything that it says that it's providing, which is a little disappointing. All in all, I would probably give EezyCollab maybe a 3.8. It does do, for the most part, what it says. You can look up influencers that will match what you are trying to sell, and it does let you send out those bulk emails. However, there is that bug with the check marks. Additionally, I'm not really able to see the metrics for each influencer that I would have liked, but they do have a dark theme, which I really like. So I'm not going to be blinded. It was very easy to use. It was pretty simple. It wasn't super overwhelming. All of the results were nice and neat, but advertising that I'd be able to see metrics and then not really providing those metrics, it did knock off quite a few points. The search results were also very quick as well. I'm a little surprised. Typically, I've come to find that a lot of the search programs will take time regardless of how big or how small your search criteria is. But this one, I only was searching for a few people, and it was honestly pretty quick. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to put them in the comment section below. And as always, I will see you next time. Goodbye.